Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford F150 gas door, updated. Start by opening the fuel door and locating hinge fasteners, then disconnect the fuel cap tether if present. Remove trim clips gently with a trim tool to avoid paint damage. Use a ratchet to remove hinge bolts and support the door while loosening hardware. Compare new hinge alignment before final torque and test the door for smooth operation and secure closure. Begin by supporting the gas door to prevent it from falling when bolts are removed. Loosen and remove hinge bolts one at a time while keeping the door steady and aligned. If a tether or electrical connector exists, disconnect it and set aside labeled for reinstallation. Inspect hinge area for rust or bent metal and clean mounting surfaces. Keep bolts organized and replace any corroded hardware before fitting the replacement gas door for a proper fit. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for hands-free timers and music while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals on accessories that make projects easier. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new gas door on the hinge and hand-thread bolts to ensure correct alignment without cross-threading. Tighten bolts in stages, alternating between fasteners to draw the door into the proper gap and swing path. Reconnect any tether or electrical connector and confirm the fuel cap seals properly. Adjust hinge shims or bolt position slightly if gaps are uneven, then perform a final torque to secure the hardware. Verify latch engagement and smooth operation through multiple open and close cycles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.